Here's a SQL trap that catches even experienced developers. Moving a single condition from ON to here can silently break your outer join, turning it into an inner join without any error message. The key difference is timing. ON conditions execute during the join construction phase when the database is matching rows between tables. Here conditions execute after the join is complete, filtering the already joined result set. This timing distinction is critical for outer joins. In a left outer join, ON conditions don't eliminate rows from the left table. Even if a customer has no matching orders, that customer still appears in the result with null values for the order columns. The ON clause decides which right table rows to attach, but it never removes left table rows. But here conditions work differently. They filter the final result after the join completes. If you filter on an outer table column in here, any row with null in that column gets eliminated. This effectively converts your outer join into an inner join, defeating the entire purpose. Here's the practical impact. If you put order status equals shipped in the ON clause, you get all customers with their shipped orders or nulls. Put the same condition in here, and customers without shipped orders vanish from the results. For inner joins, this distinction doesn't matter since unmatched rows are discarded anyway. Remember, ON controls join matching and preserves outer rows with nulls. Here filters the final result and eliminates rows. Master this, and you'll avoid one of SQL's most common pitfalls. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.